Hi everyone, my name is Tramel Gomes and I'm pleased to cook for you the national dish of my home country of Guyana, and it's called Pepperpot. Now every mention of this dish brings that warm, loving feeling of Christmas time because this deliciously rich spice meat stew served with bread is popular on Christmas mornings. Its spicy and sweet complex set of flavors surprisingly only needs a handful of ingredients and a big pot. Here's what you'll need.
Gather your meat of choice. Today I'm using oxtails, cubed beef, cow feet, and smoked pigtails.
Then you'll need your spices. You can easily make your own like the one I'm using from my mother, or purchase from your local West Indian or Caribbean store. Let's start prepping the meat. Just cut them up to your desired size. You can remove excess fat on pieces like the oxtail. Then place the meat in the pot and add water until most of the meat is covered. Throw in some salt and let it boil.
As for the origins of Pepperpot, it is believed that the Amerindians of Guyana created this dish as a way to preserve their meats since they did not have refrigeration. So you created this nice rich stew, and all you have to do is keep adding pieces of meat. I've enjoyed growing up on this dish. Each Christmas, we all just gather into the living room with some tea, Milo tea, or later in the afternoon, halt for seconds and enjoy it with some ginger beer or whatever beverage you have. You just go in, dip in, make sure not to take too much meat because meat has to go around. All Guyanese knows this dish, and it is a treasure for the country. And that's Pepperpot. It's very simple, just a handful of ingredients, and it's delicious. Cassareep, as I said, is the kingmaker of this dish. It offers this rich, dark color. Look at it. And all you have to do is use your hands.